Did you know using kitchen shears can fundamentally change your food's texture and flavor? This simple cutting tool applies a unique scientific principle that knives simply cannot replicate. For centuries, cooks have relied on knives for precision and power in the kitchen. Yet, a humble pair of kitchen scissors offers distinct advantages often overlooked by home chefs. Scissors don't just cut. They apply a unique shear force that interacts differently with food. This shear force directly impacts the cellular structure and integrity of your ingredients. Understanding this difference unlocks new levels of culinary finesse and improved dish quality. It reveals a deeper food science secret hidden in plain sight within your utensil drawer. This seemingly minor distinction holds profound implications for how flavors are released and perceived. We often choose tools out of habit, but science can guide us toward more effective methods. When you cut with a knife, the blade first compresses, then tears through food cells.
This compression can crush delicate cell walls, causing valuable moisture and nutrients to escape.
Scissors, however, work by generating opposing forces that slide past each other, creating a clean shear. Imagine trying to tear a piece of paper versus cutting it smoothly with sharp blades. The torn paper has ragged edges, symbolizing extensive cell damage from a knife's blunt force. But that's not the strangest part about how this cutting mechanism affects taste perception. A clean shear preserves cell integrity, minimizing the loss of crucial volatile flavor compounds. This means herbs like basil or cilantro retain their vibrant aroma instead of bruising away. The precise action of scissors also reduces surface oxidation, keeping cut ingredients fresher longer. Consider cutting fresh pasta. Scissors prevent sticking and maintain its delicate structure better than a knife. This gentle separation prevents the starch molecules from becoming overly exposed and sticky. Wait until you hear how this impacts tougher textures like poultry and meats. Cutting raw chicken skin with shears creates a cleaner edge, reducing tearing and promoting crispiness. This contrasts sharply with a knife, which can drag and tear, making the skin less likely to crisp evenly. For tougher meats, scissors provide leverage and control, making precise trimming easier and safer. Think about portioning bacon strips. A quick snip ensures uniform pieces without a greasy cutting board. The mechanical advantage of opposing blades allows you to apply force more efficiently than a single blade. This efficiency prevents muscle fibers from being unnecessarily shredded, which can toughen cooked meat. And then something unexpected happened. Chefs began to fully embrace this simple yet powerful technique. They discovered that the subtle difference in cell damage profoundly impacts final plate quality. For example, finely mincing chives with scissors yields a fluffy texture, unlike a knife's compressed result. This method retains more of the chive's delicate internal moisture, enhancing their fresh, oniony bite. Even opening stubborn food packaging becomes a task of elegant precision, preventing frustrating kitchen struggles. The ergonomic design of kitchen shears often offers better grip and control for specific cutting angles. This improved control reduces the risk of accidental slips, promoting a safer cooking environment for everyone. Consider segmenting citrus fruits. Scissors allow for clean cuts between membranes without tearing the flesh. This technique preserves the delicate juice sacs, ensuring a beautiful and flavorful presentation in dishes. The reduced contact area with the food also means less friction and potentially less heat transfer during cutting. This subtle thermal effect can be crucial for extremely delicate ingredients, preventing premature wilting or breakdown. And finally, the sheer versatility of kitchen scissors extends beyond just cutting, becoming a multifunctional tool. This simple shift in cutting method translates directly into more flavorful, texturally superior dishes. Your salads will boast crisper greens, retaining their internal moisture and appealing crunch. Herbs will release their essential oils more efficiently upon chewing, enhancing the overall sensory experience. The careful application of shear force transforms mundane prep tasks into culinary art forms. Home cooks can achieve restaurant-quality results by simply choosing the right cutting instrument. It empowers you to maximize ingredient potential, extracting peak flavor and optimal texture every time. This knowledge prevents common cooking frustrations like squashed tomatoes or unpleasantly bruised herbs. Think about the perfectly uniform garnishes possible with precision scissor cuts for visual appeal. The reduced food waste from precise cuts also contributes to more sustainable and economical cooking practices. Professional chefs utilize this nuanced understanding to maintain consistent quality across their elaborate menus. They know that every detail down to the way an ingredient is cut, matters immensely. This scientific approach elevates cooking from a routine chore into an exciting exploration of materials science. You gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate physics at play within your own kitchen. It highlights how simple mechanical principles can dramatically influence chemical reactions in food. Embracing this perspective encourages experimentation and a continuous pursuit of culinary excellence. So next time you reach for a cutting tool, consider the hidden science behind its design. This small change in perspective can revolutionize your approach to everyday cooking and food preparation. The humble kitchen scissors are far more than just a convenience. They are a scientific advantage. Unlock a new world of culinary precision by understanding the science behind your kitchen tools. Want more mind-blowing facts about everyday science? Hit subscribe and explore our fascinating world together.